This past summer, while I was interning at Cigna in Center City, Philadelphia, I live on 16 and Samsung. And under our apartment, there's a restaurant called Honey Grill. So one day after trying their stir fry, I realized I can cook better than this without waiting in line. So I go back to my apartment and tried cook the exact same thing I ordered and realized, oh, mine's a lot better. So I took a picture of my dish and posted it on my Facebook. And I challenged myself to cook whatever I order when I go out to eat that summer. And that's how Midi Kitchen found me and challenged me to do this episode, to cook something that I never cooked before. So the rule is simple. I was given the choice of beef, chicken, and pork. And after making my choice, they would challenge me to make a dish that I never made before with that meat. I picked chicken because chicken to me that's the most popular meat that Americans eat. This is a special challenge because they told me to do this Chinese dish, but all the ingredients should be found in American supermarket. So I went to the supermarket on campus and I had trouble finding the Sichuan pepper. So I had to supplement that with the black pepper. And also I have trouble finding raw peanuts. So I had to use something like this, the spicy flavor peanuts, hoping that will have that same texture and flavor.
这个好像不太够辣。
OK， 好。
然后其他调味都挺好的。
好的，下回注意。
好。
So after trying my own dish, I found overall it's pretty good flavor. But like my roommate said, it's not as spicy. And also I realized the dish is a little dry. And that's because during the cooking, I poured away the extra sauce. I thought it's extra, but it's actually not. So next time when I cook, I will first add more pepper, and also I will just leave the sauce in the pot without pouring them away.